welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So this is my first video, and not actually first because I actually used to make videos, and I also did make videos on Instagram, my makeup videos, but then I don't know what flashed in my mind that I deleted all of them, even my YouTube videos. So yeah, I'm starting this again, starting YouTube again, and start making more and more videos. So I created this look which is very convenient in summer days, so I keep this as summer makeup or something like that. I really suck at intros, so yeah, I won't go further. Let's start with the video. Okay, so now that I'm done fidgeting with my hair clip, let's start. Okay, fine. Now I'm gonna hydrate my skin with this Attitude Moisturizer for Oily Skin. It's from Ambe and has kiwi extract in it, which is really very moisturizing and also doesn't make your skin that greasy. That too in summertime. So yeah, I like it. Though I don't use it on a daily basis, I just use it whenever I am doing makeup and I don't really do makeup every single day. This makeup very simple. I'm not gonna go with foundation today. I'm just gonna go on with my concealer, which is from Miss Claire's. This is the pot concealer. I'm gonna apply it under my eyes, on my spots. My nose. Here. I'm just gonna blend this out very well. Now that I'm done with my concealer, I'm gonna go off with my BB cream. I'm not gonna use foundation because it's too hot outside and I can't afford to go out and I can't afford to go out with a heavy foundation on my face and then all melting down like no way. So I'm just gonna use as the BB cream. So to set my concealer and BB cream, I'm going to use this Oriflame compact powder. It's already broken like so bad, but I love this very badly. That is why I use it. This Shivana eye palette to create an eye look, which is it's damn simple and can be done. It can be done on an everyday basis because it's only 2 shades and you can seriously do it every single day, like on office makeup or schools are not allowed. Okay, fine. It's an everyday makeup kind of thing. So I'm gonna use this brush and I'm gonna use this shade here first. Then I'm going to use this shade here. It's a glittery shade. look right now. And then so now I'm gonna do my eyeliner off camera because I am very bad at showing the eyeliner part. So yeah, I'll be back. So as I'm done with my eyes and my base, I'm gonna go on with this highlighter. This is the Shivana Colors Shimmer Bricks highlighter. I really love this one. And yeah, I got my brush. I'm just gonna swipe with all the colors right here. These three are the mains because it gives you a very intensive highlight and a glow. Whoa, I forgot mascara. Next is mascara. So I'm going to use the Colorbox Fat Lash Mascara. It's from Oriflame. I'm going to use this Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream. It's in shade 41. And I've become so messy because, wait, I know, because I haven't done makeup since a long period of time as I had my exams and all. So I am really out of practice right now. So it looks messy, but then, okay, this is the first video, so just excuse me for that. But then slowly I'll learn and then I'll stop being messy, I guess. I completed with this look here. Thank you guys for watching my video, and do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video, and support me because this is my first video, and I really hope of making more and more. If you guys support me, I'll get more inspired and motivated. So please do share, comment, and what else? Yeah, that's all I guess. So bye bye, see you till next time.